warning. So a very good evening to one and all of you, dear friends, for our ARC webinar again. This webinar on the video bouquet of cataract challenges has been coined to put together a variety of moments which are actually confound us, and I'm sure what we are going to learn would guide us to the way forward. We have an amazing set of expert panel to energize us with their thought processes. We have with us Dr. Namrata Sharma, Honorary General Secretary of AIOS, Dr. Rohit Om Prakash, a veteran surgeon from Amritsar, who has brought out memorable IRSI winter meets, Dr. Sandeep Navnekar, who should be joining anytime now, a brilliant anterior segment surgeon from Mumbai with his years of wisdom, Dr. Mohan Rajan from Chennai, who combines skill, humor, and wit in great combinations, Dr. Kumar Doctor to join us soon, a very well-known, innovative, and prolific surgeon from Mumbai, Dr. Gaurav from Dehradun, who's the chairman IRSI, a friend and a guide to all with his amazing skill sets to keep us all charged and energetic. I have with me Dr. Harshul Dutt as my co-moderator, member ARC Central, another terrific guy, chairman Scientific Committee, Rajasthan Ophthalmic Society, and we all know and how popular he is with his much sought after life beyond ophthalmology initiatives. So we shall, without any ado, go on to our first speaker. Our first speaker is Dr. Tushar Grover, who is the director and consultant of Vision Eye Center and a consultant at Gangaram Hospital, New Delhi, a cataract, cornea, and refractive surgeon with a very good presence. Let's watch his challenging experience. Could you share your screen, Dr. Tushar?
Yes, ma'am. Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. First of all, I'd like to thank ARC, Dr. Chitra ma'am, Dr. Harshul sir for the opportunity. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you. So I'll be talking about issues that happen with femtosecond capsulotomy, and one of the common situations where this happens is when you have a small pupil. So something that usually works well is by cheating the machine a little bit, and we manually adjust the diameter of the pupil that the machine has detected, and we increase it manually, and that usually works well. So we usually get an adequate sized rhexis which is well within the pupil diameter on most instances. But sometimes this can go wrong, such as in this case, where once we took up the patient for surgery, we noticed that there was some pigment dispersion, which is why we stained this particular patient. And when you look at this case, it's quite evident that a part of the capsulotomy by the femtosecond laser has been done over the iris. So the energy has been delivered onto the iris, and quite evidently, there is an area of uncut capsulotomy. So in these situations, this can be quite tricky because you have that uncut area, and it's possible that this can go peripherally. So it's important to be extremely gentle, extremely careful, and do a manual capsulorhexis here in this area. If we had micro forceps, that could have probably been made things a little easier, but with the regular capsulorhexis forceps, doing it very slowly and gently, we were able to